Hey everyone, and welcome back to Sydney Trains Vlogs. I'm currently in Waterloo, and in front of us we have what will be the entrance to the new Waterloo station. So I was having a coffee with Paul from Transport Vlog today, and I was actually inspired to sort of come out and start covering, just for the archives, a few bits and pieces for Sydney Metro, starting with Waterloo. And as you know, Paul from Transport Vlog, please subscribe to his channel. I'm sure, well, both of us will be greatly appreciative of that. That. So Paul, you've been following this project for so long. What's happening with Waterloo Station at this point in time?
Well, what you just saw there is basically the station entrance building. There's going to be two entrances. We'll show you both those entrances in a moment. And then behind that, there's a services building, so we'll show you that as well. It's quite funky, the services building. Oh, that's good.
All right, so we are looking at one of the entrances. So I'm wondering if there's no security or anything like that there, if we're able to jump on the red bollards there to get a bit of a closer look. So as you can see here, there is what will be signage, more than likely the station name, Waterloo. And you can just see the belts for the escalators down to the platforms, I believe. Alright, we'll head across. There's actually a bit of a gap in the fence here. Actually, never mind. I'm tall enough to... Yep.
So what you can see here, these bronze coloured fins, this is all part of the station ventilation system. You can also see the canopies that will be above the entrance.
And once I get my zoom sorted out, you'll just be able to...
you can mention the lifts if you want to.
Yeah. You can just see the lift shaft just in front of us there. So Waterloo Station is the station after Central. The following station will be Sydenham. I like how there's just a random old bus stop here, because there was a road that actually came through here before. So.
That's a good point, actually, because this was Cope Street, wasn't it?
Yes. So peeking through a gap in the fence, is the entrance on the other side of the building, and if you can notice there, you can see the Waterloo station sign.
And in front of the station entrance will be a pedestrian plaza. You can see there's a few steps going up, and that's because this station needed to be above the maximum flood level.
So the building we have in front of us is going to be a service building with retail at the bottom floor.
And behind that is the Waterloo Congregational Church, which is heritage listed and has been lovingly looked after by Sydney Metro while this work has been happening.
Okay, to pretty well finish off the video, we have some more retail space just up from Waterloo Station. Waterloo Station is to the right hand of the screen there. And Paul was just pointing out the brickwork here, which actually looks quite nice.
Yeah, it's nice what they've done here. And again, this will be, I think this is Wellington Street or Wellington Road. Again, we're going to have ventilation, probably emergency exit here as well, but no actual station entrance.
Anyway, everyone, that is all for this video. Thank you to Paul from Transport Vlog. Subscribe to his channel, by the way, for helping out with the information and also helping with commentary on this video. And as always, thank you all for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. And
we'll see you soon.
Yes.
Sorry, gone to sleep then.
All right. Bye.